This isn't a repair video, this is an on-the-air test, because this doesn't need a repair video because it was just an alignment. It's an end user's radio, and I just had to get the camcorder out because the S meter isn't reading right. So at the moment I've got S9 on and I've got all 4 lights lighting, but I can't adjust it. And when I come to look underneath this immaculate radio, if I can just get the camcorder in the right place, so I'm looking at where my finger is there. There's a short circuit between there and that pin there. So I'm just going to pause the camcorder, correct it. So now with that print fault corrected, which is just there, the lower preset is the TX one, the upper one is the S meter, and they both set up a treat. So that's been like that since the radio was made in 1981, 39 years ago. The customer will be chuffed. Everybody will give them a different reading to what they did before. So now over to the on-the-air test. I wouldn't have done this, but that was such an unusual fault, and it wasn't reported. He says, oh, it's a great set, this, it just needs a tune-up. And I'm going to do we're going to do a range test, even though we've done one only a few weeks ago, and it's the same as the Cybernet Beta 1000 anyway, but we've got the DX local, which is effectively a switched attenuator instead of RF gain, and you've got high and low tone. We're keeping in the high position. You've got public address facility. You've got the high-low power at the back of the set, so it's 4 watts of 0.4 watts in line with the 2781 requirements, and then you've got the concentric squelch and the volume. So we're on the internal speaker as we always are on these on the air tests on the bench. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie copy.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Okay, roger on that. On a Cybernet Beta 2000, it's doing 4 watts over.
Roger that. It's coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line. So when we did the sensitivity test on the test set, we've got 1.3 microvolts for 20 decibel, which is good. Incredible 12 decibel cyanide for 12 decibel. We've got 0.18, and then for 10 decibel we've got 0.14. So it's nearly off the Richter scale, this set. Wow.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Got you at Ancaster Crossroads. Whilst I was opening this box, I opened a previous box to discover 2 radios which have been kindly sent to us as freebies by a viewer. I've done a repair from earlier on in the year. He had a D'Amico Convoy, and he sent his late father's Harry Moss 325, and there's a team set which I think is an EU only one. So we'll be looking at those in the future, and I'll say thank you very much for those.
Right, we're now at the top of the hill going down in towards Wilford.
Roger, this is the interesting bit, because it's Scratchy Corner next.
Tango 21 to Mr. Chippie, just going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger, got you very well, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Yes, that sensitivity shows itself there, and it will do when he gets to the Greyleys turn.
Right, just going over Wilford level crossing now.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Now now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. So that's the difficult one, and we can hear him beautifully. Right, that concludes the test, thank you. And I understand you're going to the parcel shop to drop off a certain Murphy base station back to the customer. Roger, I'll catch you back at Tango Towers later. Tango 21 out. Yeah, what a lovely set. 1981. Well, I'll put it into our base station and we'll just listen to it. Factory original mic on this one.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Cybernet Beta 2000 from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station, also from 1981. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is the factory original microphone.